Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Civil Engineering Forum. Are you willing to install air conditioner in your room but are confused with whether you should go with inverter or non-inverter AC? If this is so, you are at the right place. Do watch this entire video and don't forget to click on the like button. To know which one is the appropriate air conditioner, you should learn the working of both this inverter and non-inverter AC at first. At first we'll learn working of the non-inverter AC. Now suppose if you turn on the power and set your desired room temperature to 22 degrees Celsius in a non-inverter AC, where your current room temperature is 28 degree. In this case, compressor will receive power with the full capacity and hence it will work with the full efficiency. In this way, it will give maximum cooling to our indoor unit to circulate in our room. Now when your room temperature decreases to 22 degrees Celsius, that is your desired temperature, it will turn off the power and compressor will be switched off. Then again, when the temperature rises to 23 degrees, the compressor will start with the full capacity again till it reaches to 22. In this way, in a non-inverter air conditioner, your desired room temperature is controlled by subsequently switching the compressor on and off automatically. But the thing we should know is, when the compressor is on, it will work with its full capacity. In this case, compressor speed is not controlled. Now we'll see the working of an inverter AC. Here as soon as we switch on the power and set our desired temperature to suppose 22 degrees Celsius, the power will be transmitted to the inverter, which will control the power to our desired temperature, say 22 degrees, and then transmit this controlled power to the compressor. Then compressor will work with the efficiency of only 22 degrees to provide the chilling effect to the indoor unit and circulate in our room to attain the desired temperature. In this way, it saves the power and maintains the desired temperature in our room. Here the thing which should be noted is that compressor does not work with the full capacity and only required power is supplied to it, and it will remain continuously on, unlike non-inverter AC where compressor kept on switching on and off. Now we'll see few differences between both this non-inverter and inverter AC. At first we'll talk about non-inverter AC. Here the compressor runs at its full capacity till the desired room temperature is attained. As we already saw in a non-inverter AC, the room temperature is maintained by the compressor by switching on and off according to the room temperature. But if we talk about inverter AC, here the compressor runs according to the power supply which is based on our desired room temperature. Here compressor will remain continuously on, but only required power will be supplied to the compressor in this case. So the compressor does not run at its full capacity till it is kept at the lowest temperature. Then on the second number, for non-inverter AC, the operations are noisy. Due to compressor running at its full capacity and subsequently switching on and off every time, it will become noisy. But if we talk about inverter AC, it is silent because the compressor does not run at its full capacity and it continuously remains on, and so the sound of switching on and off is also not heard, it is silent. Talking about non-inverter AC, it consumes more power. Obviously, compressor running at its full capacity will consume more power as compared to the continuously switched on compressor but at efficient power supply. So inverter AC consumes less power. Regarding one-time cost, non-inverter AC is cheaper and inverter AC is costly. Due to the cost of inverter and new technology, inverter AC is bit costly, but this cost will be covered under the low electricity bills. Now if we talk about difference in the cost, inverter AC would cost you around 10% more compared to the non-inverter AC. Now at last we'll see the concluding remark, after which you would be able to decide which kind of AC is best as per your requirement and budget. Inverter air conditioner is the best option in terms of durability and power savings. So if you wish to save power and are thinking of long term, inverter air conditioner are the best option. On other hand, if your budget is low and you are not going to use it too often, then you should go with non-inverter AC. So friends, I hope this video was useful for you. If this is so, just click on the like button and do subscribe my channel Civil Engineering Forum. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.